Welcome aboard, everyone, and thank you for joining me on another peaceful, authentic UK road experience. Today, I'm taking you with me on a drive from Chadwell Heath to Dartford, heading out for another dreadlocks appointment. As always, this journey is fully recorded in real time and uploaded on my YouTube channel, Drive with Jumanne, where I take pride in bringing you the true feeling of being behind the wheel. No filters, no speeding up, just the road as it is. So sit back, relax, and let the road guide us. We're just pulling out of Chadwell Heath now, easing into the familiar roads of East London. The weather today is calm, nothing too dramatic, just the kind of typical UK sky that keeps the drive interesting. As we begin this journey, I want to remind all my viewers that every single trip I take as a mobile loctician is recorded. Whether I'm heading to clients for retwists, interlocks, micro locks readies, sister locks maintenance, instant locks, or any other lock service. And all these drives, including this one, end up on Drive with Jumanne for you to enjoy. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. It helps the channel massively, and it costs nothing. So hit that subscribe, like, and don't forget to drop your comments at the end of the video. Leaving Chadwell Heath always has that familiar rhythm, passing local shops, families heading about their day, buses pulling in and out. As we move along, the urban scenery slowly stretches out, and the road begins to open up. To my viewers who have dreadlocks, sister locks, or micro locks, you are especially welcome here. Many of you who watch these driving videos also become hair clients, and I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new and curious about trying my services, feel free to check out my work on Instagram at Jumanne_locks, or on TikTok, Kevin Jumanne. You can even Google dreadlocks stylist in Romford, and you'll find me right there among the top results. My reviews speak for themselves. Real clients, real transformations, and consistently high-quality work. I always tell people, being a mobile loctician is more than just a job. It's a journey, literally. I'm constantly moving, covering different areas every single week. And that's why I record all my drives, whether it's Chadwell Heath to Stratford, Romford to Leytonstone, Barking to Dagenham, or like today, heading south toward Dartford. I bring viewers along for the ride. On Drive with Jumanne, the goal is simple: to show you the UK roads exactly as they are. No rush, no gimmicks, just the real driving experience. As we continue, you'll notice how the environment slowly shifts. Buildings begin to thin out, traffic patterns change, and you can almost feel the journey transitioning from local roads to more structured, faster-moving routes. During these calm stretches, I'd like to remind my viewers that if you're considering getting your locks done, maintained, or repaired, I've got you covered. Whether you have dreadlocks, micro locks, sister locks, starter locks, crochet repairs. And if you've ever wondered what it's like having a stylist travel directly to your home, that's exactly what I do. Distance doesn't scare me. Today's trip to Dartford is just one of many. Now we're making our way toward the 13, a highway many drivers have a love-hate relationship with. Some days it moves like a dream, other days you're crawling like a toddler learning to walk. But today, we look good. The road is open, the pace is smooth, and even the sky is starting to brighten up a little. Now we're approaching the M25, the mega circle of London that all drivers eventually find themselves on. Once we merge, we'll start heading south toward Dartford. As we enter this part of the journey, traffic may start to thicken. It always does around here, but that's just part of the experience, and part of why I record these drives. I want you to see the reality. Not just perfect clear roads, but also the normal flow of day-to-day driving. That's what Drive with Jumanne stands for: authenticity. We're on the M25 now, building momentum as we curve around that massive ring road of England. The lanes are broad, the view is wide, and the closer we get to Dartford, the more you can feel the anticipation of the crossing up ahead. This is the kind of stretch where driving becomes meditative. We're firmly cruising now. The hum of the road is steady, and the traffic is giving us that gentle push forward. I love this stretch of highway because it gives your mind space to wander well, as much as it can wander while still driving responsibly. As we continue toward Dartford, let me welcome all the new viewers once more. If you enjoy relaxing, real-time driving footage, this channel is your home. There's something calming about watching long drives. Some people watch them for relaxation, some to study UK roads, and others simply love the vibe. Whatever brings you here, you're appreciated. And if you're here for the lock services, trust me, you're in good hands. I've done hundreds of heads across London and beyond. Retwists, repairs, micro locks readies, you name it. You can always find me online. Simply search Dreadlocks Stylist Romford and I will show up. Clear as day. For those of you watching this drive and thinking, I need to get my hair done, go ahead and reach out. The links are all in the video description. You can view all my previous work. And more importantly, you can see the reviews, lots of real people trusting me with their crown. My name is Jumanne Locks, and I come to you. I bring the service, the tools, the expertise, and years of experience right to your doorstep. And as you ride along with me, remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment about where you're watching from. I always enjoy hearing from people across the UK and even abroad. To all my lot clients and future clients watching this, thank you for trusting me with your hair. Your crown is important, and I treat it with the respect it deserves. As we settle into the final minutes of this journey together, I want to once again welcome all my viewers, new and returning. This channel is growing, and it grows because of you. Your support, your comments, your likes, your shares, they all help push Drive with Jumanne forward. If you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button. And if you have dreadlocks, micro locks, sister locks, or you've been thinking of starting your lock journey, check out my Instagram or TikTok. Both under Jumanne Locks. You'll see the quality of my work, the transformations, the consistency, and the excellent reviews I've earned over time. Feel free to Google Jumanne Locks Romford and see for yourself. Thank you for riding with me today from Chadwell Heath to Dartford for another appointment. Thank you for spending this journey with me. Thank you for supporting Drive with Jumanne. Don't forget, like the video, leave your comment, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at JUMANNE_LOCS. Book your lock appointment anytime. Until the next drive, stay safe, stay blessed, and keep your crown glowing. This is Drive with Jumanne signing out.
This drive continues till we get to the destination. Please watch to the end.